Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and search for elevenlabs.io. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, either log in or create a new account. Once you are on the main page of ElevenLabs, you'll see a box. Ensure that Text-to-Speech is selected in the top left corner of the box. Next, write or paste your desired text into the box, which will be used to create the voiceover. After entering your text, it's time to select a voice character. To do this, click on the character name in the bottom left of the box. This action will prompt several character options. From here, choose your desired character, then click on Settings to adjust the voice stability, similarity, and other options. After setting everything up, click on the Generate Speech button to proceed with creating the voice. And that's it! You have successfully learned how to use ElevenLabs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.